Do you know how a handmade watch is made? Is it made from modern and sophisticated machines? Not really. Most details of a handmade watch are handcrafted by skilled, meticulous craftsmen. This is a complicated process and requires a lot of time and effort. So, let's learn about the watch manufacturing process in this video. Explore the handmade watch production process. To create a watch, the first thing the brand needs to do is come up with an idea for the watch model they want to produce. The initial idea of a new watch is the only step that involves many different people. Ideas can be based on customer requests, trends observed in the watch market, or even directly from the brand's management team. Each new watch is like a new work of art. It has different stories to tell. That's a very interesting thing about watches. This stage requires the ideators to have a great creativity to convey the story through the design of the watch, or simply highlight their aesthetic novelty compared to other brands on the market. Many luxury watch manufacturers produce designs and components in-house. The Rolex brand, for example, goes a step further and even produces some of the raw materials used in making its watches. Rolex owns and operates its own in-house foundry and creates exclusive gold and stainless steel alloys such as Oyster Steel and Everose Gold. Even Rolex's classic yellow gold is a special blend of 18-karat gold that has developed over the years and is completely unique to Rolex brand. Some of Rolex's top innovations include Cerachrom, a proprietary ceramic material, a highly specialised alloy used for hairsprings, and Chromolite, the brand's blue luminescent compound, and all of these technologies meet top standards. Simply, today's watch industry manufactures metal cases in two ways. Use CNC machines to create precise shapes. The metal billet will be cut and shaped using CNC machines and other cutting equipment until the desired shell shape is achieved. This method is very expensive but will create a unique design. Stamping molds and using CNC machines and sharpening equipment. The red-hot metal billet will be put in a mold and stamped to create a rough shell shape. After cooling, it will be trimmed again. Cheaper method, but requires simple cases or large quantity production. After manufacturing all the parts of the time machine, case, frame, bottom cover, machine parts and strap, the watch is completely assembled. This requires extreme precision and concentration so that the parts fit together properly, not allowing even a small detail to go wrong. This is where the watchmaker steps in and begins assembling the prototype of the new model. This phase is mainly about fine-tuning and making adjustments. Adjustments are sometimes needed when theory is put into mechanical practice for the first time. From the smallest, most sophisticated details to simple parts, all are meticulously crafted. It is not easy to work with small things that require high sophistication and perfection. For high-value watches, every step and all details are made by hand, even the smallest screws. Big brands can produce about 1 million watches annually and do not mass produce them. At the pilot production stage, decoration, cover and exterior specialists begin to play their roles. These finishing touches explain the cost difference between an entry-level caliber and a high-end watch. Throughout the entire process, the beveling, round graining and sunburst of the watch is done with the utmost respect for manufacturing tradition. Cut the leather into 3 pieces to create 3 layers of a watch strap with available shapes and sizes. The watch strap is divided into 3 layers: upper leather layer, lining leather layer and lower leather layer. Use specialized tools to create straight, even holes to make gluing and sewing strings more effective. Proceed to glue and sew the watch strap along the straight line created earlier. Hand stitches need to be skillful and evenly placed to see the sophistication of the product. Once stitched, the edges of the strap need to be neatly handled. The processing may have to be done 3 to 5 times with 15 strict steps. From there, the new watch strap product has a delicate, shiny and eye-catching beauty. Production processes are tested to check their individual performance. The movements outside the housing are tested before being inserted into the housing. These tests take at least a week for each part and ensure the watch fully complies with the original criteria. In this video, we learned about the manual watch manufacturing process, from the wheels, hands and dials to assembly and quality control. Surely you have seen how complicated and meticulous this process is, right? That's why handmade watches can achieve such high precision and durability. Hopefully this video has provided you with useful information about the handmade watch manufacturing process. If you found this video interesting and useful, please like and subscribe to my channel to watch the latest videos, and thanks for watching.